Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about association mapping or association or relationships or multiplicity in a Spring Data JPA is nothing but same as Hibernate, boss. So we have ready-made annotations to build the associations like at the rate one to many, at the rate many to many, at the rate one to one, at the rate many to one we have. So if it is bidirectional association, parent class will have a special property to hold child class objects. Child class will have a special property to hold what? Parent class objects. So we have taken one to many bidirectional association, guys. Okay. Instead of writing mapped by everyone, instead of writing mapped by, okay, sorry, instead of writing at the rate join column in both places, parent class and child class, write only in child class and specify that property of child class in parent class special property by using mapped by simply using what, guys? Mapped by concept. Right. Cascading means any non-select persistence operation performed on main object will be cascaded to, will be propagated to associated child object. Will be cascaded or will be propagated to associated child object. Everyone getting my point there or not? Yes, boss. Yes, this is my person.java. This is my phone number.java. This is my person.java. This is my phone number.java. Nice. This is my application.properties. Yes. Yesterday we have completed what? This is repository interface. This is service interface. This is okay. This one. Right. See, I'm just using parent class object here, but record will be inserted in parent table and associated records will be inserted in child table because we said cascade type is what? All. Any non-select persistence operation on parent object will be cascaded to associate to child object. And this we have written cascade type all in both parent and child. So if you try to insert from child also, same thing will happen, boss. Similar thing will take place. Okay, now what is left to develop? Client application. Yes, before developing client application, okay, I will take required arg constructor at the rate not non-null. Yes, at the rate non-null control plus shift plus O. Finish. Here is my phone number. Okay. Here I will take at the rate required arg constructor. Required arg constructor. Wait a minute. Required arg constructor. Even let me put here also at the rate non-null. Let's take these guys. Come here. forget about this one, paste. 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 Okay, guys. Now let's go to runner class now. Okay. Extends command line runner. Extends command line runner. Extends command line runner. Sorry. Implements. It's an interface. Okay. It's an interface. Let it be. @component. @component. Okay. Next. Here is our run method. Here is our run method. Okay. Next. Here we can inject the service class. What is this? person management service. person management service. Auto. Okay, guys. person management service. Okay, boss. Okay, cool. After that, what next? Public void run string args throws exception. Now we need to think about creating objects, guys. Fine. Let me prepare the objects. Prepare parent object having associated child objects. Associated child objects. Okay, now listen. Associated child objects. Okay. Phone number ph1 is equal to new phone number of right. In phone number we didn't use required arg constructor. Okay, got it. Required arg constructor. Fine. Come here. We have another constructor now. Yes. Long phone number, string provider, string type, and person. Long phone number. Okay, we assign person later. We'll try to give this stuff, guys. 1 minute. Long phone number. L. 1 minute. String type. String provider. Okay. Provider Airtel. Office. Sir, it is expecting person object. Still person object is not ready. 1 minute. On special property, if you remove non-null, then that will not be there in the constructor. In person also, I will assign through setter methods manually. Okay. Only for special properties. Okay. Now semicolon. Now let's see. PH2. New phone number. What is this? All 8CL. What is this? Vodafone. All 8CL Vodafone. Come on, guys. All 8CL Vodafone. Residence. Tell me. Set to phone number. Phones set. Set phone number. Phones set. Come on, guys. Phones set. Set dot off. Set dot off. Set dot off. Set dot off. ph1 comma ph2. ph1 comma ph2. Yes, we are ready with the child objects, guys. So these are child objects. Okay. Now parent object. What is parent object? Person1 is equal to, come on, guys. New person of pname comma address. Rajesh comma Hyderabad. Fine. Tell me. Person1 dot. Okay. Person1 dot. Set contact details. Okay. Phones set. This is child's to parent. Next. Okay. Set this one. Now listen carefully. Now parent to childs. Bidirectional boss. Parent to childs. Okay. How to add parents to childs, guys? ph1 dot set person1 ph1 dot ph2 dot set person2 set person2. Everyone getting my point there or not? Come on. Yeah, phone number ph1 ph2 ph1 here is my person object. Set person1 person1 child's to parent. Is that clear, guys? Right. Okay, now listen. Parents are child. Okay. If you want to add them before adding to collection, fine and good. If you want to add them, yeah, no problem. You create parent object before this. You add parent object this one. Here, what is this? Parent to childs. ph1 dot set person1 ph2 dot set person2. Sorry, person1. Right, guys? Okay. Now what we are doing? We are adding them to collection. Okay. Childs to parent. Is that clear, boss? Is that clear? Now listen. Invoke service method. Invoke service method. Hey, order is not. After adding to collection also, if you add, not a problem, because references only, not a issue. Okay. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Service dot save person per. Save person1. Save person1. Okay. End of the run method end of the class. Yes, boss. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, basically tables will not be there. What are the tables we have taken, boss? Person.java. Yeah, it's since it's a bidirectional, we have taken parent child, parents pointing to child, child is pointing to parent. Okay, here servers is not required here. Now let's run the application, boss. So when you run the application, Spring Boot application, let's run the application. Yeah, two tables should be created, having foreign key column in the child table. Come on, having foreign key column in the child table. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, nothing is there, guys. Nothing is there. Whatever you add in the, listen, sequence created, everything is created. Stack overflow. What's happening? Stack overflow. Stack overflow. Right. What's happening? Phone set ph1, ph2. Am I trying to modify after adding to collection? No, I am not trying to modify anything after adding to collection. See the console? It is saying that immutable code. Phone number.java, line number 22. It is saying one more thing, immutable collection.java. Everywhere it is saying that immutable collection.java. So that means somewhere we are trying to modify the collection content, but we are not modifying anything in the collection content. 22 of phone number at the rate data. Getter setter methods are generated. That's fine. Zero param constructor is there here. Line number 22. Person. Oh, how come it is giving problem, Ra Babu? At the rate data. O to M person. What's the issue? What's the issue? There should not be any issue. Child objects ready. Okay, 1 minute. Child objects ready. Person object ready. Okay, parent to childs done. Parent to childs done. Phone numbers are set. Okay, phone numbers are set. Contact details. This immutable collection is giving problem. 1 minute. Okay, immutable collection is giving problem. 1 minute. Set phone number. Phones set is equal to phones set is equal to new hash set of come on, phones set dot add ph1 phones set dot phones set dot add ph2 done. Okay, let me go like this. This hash code method is giving issue. Phone number dot 2222 hash code method is giving issue, especially in the phone number class. Person dot hash code, this one. So that means some issue is happening towards generating these getter setter methods, boss. Some issue is taking place towards generation of these getter setter methods. At the rate data is working fine. Okay. Now listen. Yeah, don't worry about at the rate data. Go for separate setter, because the generated hash codes are internally giving some problems, guys. At the rate setter. Yes. Stop using at the rate data. It is generating more methods, hash code, and other methods also. At the rate data not only generate getter setter, it also generates what? Hash code, equals, so many things. Okay. So that is leading to problem. Anyhow, we just need getter setter method. We'll go for what? Setter at the rate getter. Okay, no problem with Lambda API generated hash code method and equals method. So now see, problem got solved, and we can use that one set off also. Now no need of compromising and using this, boss. No, we can happily use this one also. Set dot off ph1 comma ph2. Save it. Done. Yeah, now see, things are happening properly or not? Things are happening properly or not? Sir, where is the issue? Array, at the rate generated hash code method, equals method are having some issues. Somehow they are generating same hash code. So in that process, keeping in set collection is becoming problem. So that's why I'm not letting Lambda API to override hash code and equals method. I'm asking Lambda API not to generate them. Okay, I'm asking Lambda API only to generate getter and setter method by just using at the rate getter and setter, and problem got solved. Check it out, guys. I called save person one, and in the repository also I passed only parent object. But look at the console. Look at the console, guys. It is inserting records into parent object, parent table, and also inserting record into child table. Check it out. One record into parent table, and two records into what? Associated child table, and also updating foreign key column. Did you notice it? It is also updating foreign key column. See, this is person underscore ID is the foreign key column. Check it out. Updating foreign key column. This is update. Come to this place. Connection one. Connection one. Here what? Tables. Here I am taking what? O2M. O2M person. Done. And O2M phone number. Done. Have a look. No, O2M person. O2M person. 23 Hyderabad Rajesh. This is generated because of save operation. O2M phone number. Phone number. Here is this one. 1001. And these two tables are in relationship because of what? Foreign key column. Here how much has got? 23. And same 23 is taking place here or not? Sir, here why started with 1000? Here I asked to work with custom sequence. Check it out. Phone number. I ask it to generate a custom sequence starting with 1000, right? Okay. Sir, why O2M is coming? Look at the table name, right? Dirty fellow. Okay. What I have wantedly taken O2M in the table name to avoid the confusion. Right. Okay. But see what you have to observe. I passed only parent object in the save method, but it is inserting record into parent table and also inserting record associated records into child table. Did you realize that, boss? Okay, guys. So this is about save operation. So now I would like to perform a retrieve operation also. Since it is a bidirectional, I can even insert the record from child to parent also. Shall we see child to parent one insert operation very fastly? Okay. Public string. Yeah, we can do in both ways. We can do in both ways. That's the beauty, guys. Okay. We can do in both ways. Okay. Now tell me here. Save. What is that? Save phone numbers. Phone numbers. Tell me. Iterable. Iterable phone number or set phone numbers. Your choice. Okay. Iterable phone numbers. Iterable phone numbers. Phone. Iterable phone numbers. Phone. That's guys. Now tell me here. Okay, implementation. Implementation. Implementation, guys. Now tell me. Iterable phone numbers. Phone. We have a save all method. Did you remember? Save all. Save all method is there or not there? Okay. Tell me here. Person repo dot save all. See, guys. Save all entities. Did you notice that? JPA repository, we are having that method, guys. Save all entities, which is giving me again list collection. Did you observe that, boss? Okay. Right. Save all phones. Save all phones. Not there. Person repo dot save all iterable entities. Oh, now listen, very simple. I should not use person repo. I should use phone repo, right? Because that method of save all phones. Yes. Save all phones. What it returns, boss? What it returns? Same list collection it returns. List phone number. What it saved, same. List phone number. List. List phone number list. Java.util.list. Okay, now here, what is the thing I want to say? What is the thing I want to say? I just want to write a message. List.size. 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 Phone numbers are inserted. Phone numbers are saved. Okay, list.size. Phone numbers are saved. Fine, guys. Okay, now look at association test. So this is save operation parent to child. Parent to child. Yes, guys. Right. Let me comment this section. Right. Now listen. Save operation child to parent. Operation child to parent. Right. Now what should I do? Now I have to prepare child objects, boss. I need to prepare child objects. Okay. Let me prepare child objects. Phone number ph1 is equal to new phone number of phone number ph1 is equal to new phone number of, come on, what happened to Eclipse ID? New phone number of, what is this? Long phone number, all 7CL, type is geo, provider is geo, this is office number. Copy this, guys, paste. Phone number ph2, new phone number. Okay, Vodafone. Next, office. So we got two phone numbers, guys. These are child objects. These are child objects. Okay, fine. Now let me create parent object. Person PR is equal to new person of. Person PR is equal to new person of. Karan, Hyderabad. Okay, person PR is equal to new person of Karan, Hyderabad. Okay. After that, what next? PR dot. Okay. PR dot. First of all, before setting contact details, what is that? Add parent to child. Parent to child. Childs. Tell me. PH1 dot set person PR. PH dot set person PR. Okay, that's fine. Okay, add childs to parent bidirectional, boss. Yeah, set contact detail directly I'm passing. Set of PH1 comma PH2. PH1 comma PH2. Set dot off. Okay. Bidirectional now, it's better to add both. Okay, boss. Next one, add parents to child, childs to parent. Okay, done. So now I have to call method that is expecting what? This one, collection of this one. Yes, here we are having collection. Where is the collection, guys? Here. Okay, sysout, service dot, save phone numbers. Save phone numbers. Array, we didn't take collection separately. Yeah? We have passed here directly. 1 minute. Now collection is required. Okay. What is this? Set phone number. Set phone number. Phones is equal. Phones set is equal to. Tell me. Set dot off. PH1 comma PH2. PH1 comma PH2. Here, what is that? Phones set, guys. Okay, here you can pass that phones set as it is. You can pass that phones set as is. Yeah, it is expecting iterable, boss. Array, all collections are iterable only. Right. Let's see this. It's a bidirectional. See, earlier, earlier I passed what? Parent object. Now I am passing what? Parent object. Save. This time save all what I am passing phones. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Super. Okay. Now let's run this application now. What is saying? Unsupported operation exception nulla. Illegal state. What's happening? Fail to convert, fail to execute command line runner. What's happening, my dears? Spring application. One 23. Immutable collection. Immutable collection. Immutable collections 133. Persistence set. What's the basic reason why it is not giving basic reason? Ayyo. Wait, I'm closing entity manager factory. Unsupported, caused by unsupported operation. Caused by unsupported operation. Caused by unsupported operation. Am I not setting parent? Parent is set. Array, unsupported operation. Now, java.util.set only it is taking, boss. That's not a problem. Right. Just a minute. Did I use correct one? Did I use correct repo? Phone number repo only I used. That's fine. Iterable phone numbers. Iterable phone numbers. That's it. I pass it to, I kept them in collection and I passed them. Okay, fine. So since this is giving hand, guys, 1 minute. Since this is giving hand, wait a minute. No, actually, immutable. No, this should not be a problem, guys. This should not be a problem. This should not give any kind of issue. PH1, PH2, that's right, set collection. Okay, person object is set now, boss. Okay, to the person object, we have added it. What is there in that? To the person object, we have added it. Iterable parameter, that's not a issue, boss. That's not a issue at all. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, we'll change our logic, boss. Listen, instead of this, we'll go for some other one. Okay, instead of Seval is giving hand, what we do is wait. Oh, we'll go in other angle. We'll go in another angle. Just a minute. For phone number ph of phones. Phone number ph of phones. Okay. To avoid the confusion here, I will take the variable name as phones set. Here I will take the variable name as phones set. Yes. Now tell me. Phone repo dot save. Phone repo dot save. What is that ph? I try to call save method continuously here. Okay. If all things are happened smoothly, guys, if all these things happen smoothly, return phones set dot size. Phones set dot size. Acha, we want to get that size, guys. How to get the size? Okay, directly in a trouble, we don't have option to work with the size. No problem. We'll type cast set of phones set of phones set. Array, we cannot typecast to say this one. Okay, set phone number of. Yes, guys, I'm just trying to go for typecasting, boss, nothing else. Dot size, number of records are inserted, or phone numbers are saved, or saved. Okay, guys. Now listen. Set phone number is not a resolved type. How come? Set phone number. I just trying to. How to get the size, Rababu? How to convert this one? We want this one to happen, Rababu. Phones set. What is this? Phones set. Dot size is not there. So go for casting. Casting also not happening. I have to typecast to one or other collection now, boss. I have to typecast to one or other collection. Wait. It only give the suggestion what to do. Add cast to size method is not there in this one. Add cast to set. If you're adding cast also not happening. Okay. Array in the set collection it is there or not there? Come on. Okay. 1 minute. Set phone number. Set phone number. Come on. Typecasting. Why it is not happening, boss? Why it is not happening? Cannot be resolved. Cannot be resolved. No, I want to convert into set collection. Yes, import. Yes, gone, guys. No error gone. Set phone number, phone set dot size. This ID is not giving import statements properly, boss. Nothing else. Right. Now listen. Okay. Let's try this now. Why it is behaving like this, Rababu? Nested exception is no default constructor for entity. Here I have not taken default constructor. Okay, no problem. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. Otherwise to C. whether object is created or not created, I will place manually. Testing our patience, no problem. We don't lose that. Systrace. Phone number colon 0 param construct. 0 param constructor. Done was. Okay. Association test runner was. Yes, sometime it will test our patience. Yes, guys. Now listen carefully. Inserting one record into person and two records into child and are automatically updating what? Foreign key column. Check it out here. Okay, this is parent table. Oh, sorry. Delete it. Yeah, this is parent table. Another record has come. This is a refresh, and more records have come. Did you observe this, guys? Come on. Okay, maybe like last some other successful insertion might have happened, boss. That's why it is coming. See, last part you observe. Last part is what? Child information part. Karan Hyderabad Geo Vodafone. Karan Hyderabad. Yes. Karan has come and Geo. It has come here or not there? It has come here or not there? I think that's it, guys. Okay, since it has not come twice, guys, maybe previous successful execution. Okay, to test it, 1 minute, I will delete in front of you people and I will go for one more time execution. Refresh, done. Come here. Refresh. Okay, let it be. Now come to this place, guys. Right click, run on. Okay, this one. Okay, come here, boss. Refresh, only one record has come. Refresh. Now confusion is not there. Clear? Okay, fine. I'm trying to save each object, boss. I'm getting as a collection only. I'm trying to call save method multiple times. But before saving child object, it will try to save associated parent object. Then it will save all the child objects. See the insert queries, how insert queries are coming. First, what is coming? Parent insert operation is coming. Then child insert operations are coming. Did you realize that? Okay. That is what? Child. Okay. Child to parent, guys. So now let's concentrate on select operation, boss. Select operation. Okay. Now it is a bidirectional. Parent to child possible, child to parent possible. Possible or not? Right. Okay. Now let's see that. Yeah. Public. They are basically giving what? List collection, or you can take the same stuff. Okay, list. They are giving basically iterable, right? Iterable parent. Okay, parent is what? Person. Okay, now what is that? Fetch phone numbers. Sorry, fetch person. Okay. Fetch by person. Fetch by person. If you are interested, you can apply some condition, but right now I'm interested to get this one. Okay. Fetch by person. Tell me here, what is this? Return person report dot person report dot. Okay, find all. Person repo dot find all. That's it, guys. Person repo dot find all. Okay, come here, comment this. Right. Load operation, parent to child. Load operation, parent to child. Load operation, parent to child. Right, guys. Load operation, parent to child. Tell me, guys, here, what is this? Service dot fetch by person. Fetch by person dot for each. Here per. Now tell me. Sys out parent plus per. Done. Okay, parent plus per. Now the next one. Each parent is having multiple childs, guys. Now tell me what I am going to do. Set phone number. Set phone number. Childs is equal to. Set phone number. Childs is equal to. PR dot get contact details. We got the childs. Okay. Here what? Childs dot for each. Childs dot for each. Come on, guys. Each child. Each child means each phone number. Question mark. Sys out. Sys out. What happened? Why it is not responding? Sys out. What is that? Child plus ph. Child plus ph. Association test runner dot Java, boss. What is that? Association test runner dot Java. Run this. What's happening? Parent record has come. Failed to execute runner. That's fine. Lazy initialization failed. Okay. Could not initialize proxy, no session. Could not initialize proxy, no session. Why? Why is testing our patience for every operation? 1 minute. Did I not return the things properly? Okay. Done. Parent, PR. Okay. Every person is having set of phone numbers. Yes, we are getting set of phone numbers, boss. Wait. No, fetch type lazy also show what happened. It should support lazy also, now, boss. Right. Childs is equal to this one. Childs dot this one. Okay, fine. By default, lazy loading only. But why it is not supporting lazy loading? It should support even lazy loading part also. Okay, wait. It should support lazy. First, let me check whether it is supporting eager loading or not. Fetch is equal to eager. Fetch type dot eager. Associated runner, boss. Fine. Let's see. Associated runner was this one. What's happening? Parent has come nicely, but in the child, phone numbers are not coming properly. Oh, in phone number class, we didn't write toString method, boss. That's why. Shall we go for the toString method now? Right click source. Right click source, generate toString. Okay, don't involve associated parent property, involve the remaining things. Done. Okay, done here. Right. Now you observe You observe, guys. Okay, what happened? Parent associated child. Again, parent associated child. Did you realize that it's coming or not coming? Okay. Sir, what do you mean by eager loading? Okay, listen, I will tell. Parents will be loaded normally, but associated childs will be loaded along with the parent, though you are not processing. So, for example, I commented this section. I commented this section. Okay. See, I am not at all touching the childs. I am not at all involving the childs. Check it out. Parent only displayed, but look at the queries, guys. Select person. Select person. Come on. Select person. Okay. Look at this. Person ID, person. See, associated phone numbers also coming, boss. Though I am not processing. Check it out. These two queries are related to associated phone numbers or not. Say, my dears. So this is called eager loading. Eager means early loading. Array, you use it or you don't use it. I will load childs along with the parent. I will load. Array, listen. Lazy loading, eager loading related to select operation. Cascading is related to non-select operation. Cascading is related to non-select operation. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. So this is eager loading. That means what? Parents will be loaded normally. Whenever you ask, you load. But associated childs will be loaded along with the parent, irrespective of whether you are using them or not. See, I commented the entire child processing, but still queries are generated to load childs along with the parent or not. What is the guarantee? Queries are generated and objects are created. Did you notice that, boss? Okay. Just a minute. I will go here. Person class. Fetch type. Fetch type. Lazy. Fetch type lazy. Now listen. Click on it. Same condition. We are in the same condition, boss. See, only parents are loaded. Associated childs are not loaded. Did you observe this? In real time, we use lazy a lot because hit the database software when need is there. Don't hit the database software when need is not there. I think you've seen the difference between lazy and eager, boss. I hope you have seen the difference between lazy and eager. Once again, you observe. Once again, you please observe, guys. Now tell me here, what is the story? Okay, go to this place. See, generally everyone learns save operation, that to parent to child, they will end the association. But I am interested to show all persistence operations, guys. Please support me. Okay, you see any example in the internet or you see any other example, they just do save operation, they will end the association. But no, I am trying to show all permutation and combination. Okay, now please. Okay, eager. Now listen, see the difference. See the difference. See the difference. Again, I am not processing the childs. Tell me here what happened. Though you are not processing the child, childs will be loaded along with the parent. Childs will be loaded along with the parent. Got it? Okay. Now you move to this one, lazy. Move this one to lazy. Association test run. Okay. In one-to-many association, if nothing is specified, default is lazy. How can you say default is lazy, sir? I didn't mention anything here. I did not mention anything here. Come on, association this. If nothing is specified, default is lazy only. Did you notice it? Default is lazy only. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super boss. Okay. Right. So this is what? Parent to child. What is this? Loading boss. Parent to child loading. So we will keep fetch is equal to fetch type eager. Right, boss. Okay. Now listen. Mm, we will take a new document, fresh document, guys. Black screen is coming up. Give me a minute. Now it's gone, it seems. Okay, guys. It's gone, it seems, guys. But I lost the chat box. I lost the chat box. Fine. Now chat box is not there with me. Okay, is there, but it's not coming on the top of existing windows. It's coming somewhere internal. Okay. Now listen. In association mapping, the cascading types. Okay, guys. The cascading types are related to. Come on, guys. Okay, related to the cascading type are related to non-select persistence operation. Non-select persistence operations. Okay, guys. Non-select persistence, which indicates any non-select persistence operation. Non-select persistence operation on main object will be cascaded to the associated what object, guys? Child object will be cascaded to the associated child object. Yeah. So what are the possible, guys? Cascade type dot all merge persist. Tell me. Persist. Remove. Okay. Refresh. Next, detach. In association mapping, the fetch type. What type, guys? Fetch types are related to select persistence operation. Select persistence operation. Okay. Which indicates the associated child objects. The associated child objects should be loaded along with the parent objects or not. Along with the parent objects or not. Okay. Fetch type dot eager. Parent objects will be loaded normally. Okay. Parent objects will be loaded. 1 minute. Child objects will be loaded along with the parent objects. Okay, guys. Along with the parent. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. Next one. Fetch type. What is this? Lazy. Fetch type lazy. Parent objects will be loaded normally, but the associated child objects will be loaded lazily on demand basis. Lazily on demand basis. Come on, guys. Lazily on demand basis. Lazily on demand basis. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Lazily on demand basis. Now listen. In one-to-many association, yeah, what is recommended? Lazy is recommended. Hit the database software only when need is there. Don't hit the database software unnecessarily. Okay, in one-to-many association, the default lazy loading is the default fetch type is, come on, the fetch type is lazy. Yes. In many-to-one association, the default fetch type is eager. Eager. Are not only in one-to-many, guys. In fact, one-to-one, many-to-many association. The default fetch type is what? Lazy was. But in many-to-one, the default fetch type is eager. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Right. Fine. Okay, guys. Now, shall we see? Okay, guys. Very common interview question. Fetch types. What is the difference between eager loading and lazy loading? Are in the meaning only it's there. Eager. Parent objects will be loaded. Along with the parent object, child objects will be loaded. Is that clear? Lazy loading. Parent objects will be loaded normally, but associated child objects will be loaded lazily on demand basis. Will not be loaded immediately, lazily on demand basis. Clear, guys? Okay, now listen. Now we want to go for child to parent, guys. Public iterable phone numbers fetch by phone number. That means fetch by using phone number. That's the meaning, guys. Fetch by phone number, guys. Public iterable phone number, fetch by phone number. This is another thing I want to do, guys. Shall we observe how to deal with that one, guys? Okay. Come here. Fetch by phone number, guys. Here, what is this? Return phone repo dot Phone repo dot. Come on, tell me here. What is this? Find all. Find all. Yes. I'm commenting this section, guys. I'm commenting this section. Right. Here is what? Load operation. Child to parent. Child to parent. Load operation. Child to parent. Service dot. Fetch by phone number for each. For each. Here what you will get? First phone number you will get. First phone number you will get. Sys out. Okay. Child was. Child PH. Done. Okay. Now tell me here. What is there? Person PER is equal to PH dot get person. Fine. Sys out. Parent to colon. What is this? Parent to colon PER. Parent to colon PER. Yeah. See, child associated parent. Child associated parent. Are here no collection. Why? Because each child, each phone number will belongs to one person only. Multiple phone numbers may belongs to same person, but each phone number belongs to one person only. That's why no collection is required here. No collection is required here. Are you observing here? Okay. Now listen. Run this one. Okay. Now listen what happened. Okay. See. Okay. First you see. Phone number, person. Phone number, person. Okay. 1023. Person is 20. 100123. Okay. Phone number, person. Phone number, person. Right. Now. I completely stopped processing. I completely stopped processing what? Parent, guys. I'm just using what? Child. Now listen. Still, I didn't mention any fetch type. Did you notice that? Did I mention any fetch type anywhere? Did I mention any fetch type? But still, look at. Phone numbers are loaded and associated parent are loaded. Associated person objects are loaded. Though I am commenting processing of parents. Okay. Now that means default fetch type is what? Eager. Now come here. Go to this place. Here I will write fetch is equal to fetch type dot lazy. Default is eager. Now I have changed it to what? Lazy. Okay. Now listen carefully. Lazy. Come to this place. This time what happened? Only phone numbers have come. Did you notice it? Only phone numbers. Actually, these are proxy objects, guys. Okay, don't believe that. Don't believe that. Look at the select query. Look at the select query. These are proxy objects. These are proxy objects. Don't believe that. Okay. If you are not believing me, 1 minute. Here in the constructor, I will say this dot get class. That is not real object, boss. That is the proxy object. Here also this dot get class. Association test runner. See guys, person objects created, but check it out. Real person class name is there? No. Real person class name is there? Not there. Proxy class name is there. Did you notice that? Did you observe that, my dears? Did you notice that? Did you observe that, boss? Okay. Right. So what is the default loading here? Default, eager. Many to one, eager. One to many, lazy. I hope you noticed that one practically, boss. Right. Fine. Okay, guys. Array, in Spring Data, we are having MongoDB, Ra Babu. Yes. Tomorrow, we will see delete operation. BK Kumar, proxy class means what? I will murder you. The dynamically generated in-memory class are called what? Proxy classes. Come on. The dynamically generated in-memory classes are called what? Proxy classes. Okay. Fine. I'll commit the code and I will share the directory structure with you people. Don't worry. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Tomorrow we have a session. Sunday 10 o'clock we have a session on Agile. Both are important. Thank you.